The last human job on Earth. Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, opening LinkedIn, and realizing there are no jobs left. Not because the economy collapsed, not because of a war, but because humanity simply became unnecessary. Sounds impossible? Yet some experts believe we're already moving in that direction. And if that future arrives, one question remains. Who will be the last human worker on Earth? This is the story of that person. Backhand index pointing right. Chapter 1, the year 2091. The year is 2091. Cities are cleaner than ever. Crime is almost gone. Traffic no longer exists. Hospitals are run by AI. Governments are advised by AI. Every factory, every office, every business operates without human employees. At first, people celebrated. No more exhausting jobs. No more long commutes. No more stressful interviews. Machines handled everything. For free. Life seemed perfect. Until something unexpected happened. People began losing purpose. For thousands of years, humans built their identities around work. A teacher taught. A doctor healed. A farmer grew food. But now, AI did all of it better. And faster. Chapter 2, The Last Job. There was only one job left. One position that no AI had fully replaced. Human Historical Preservation Officer. The job sounded boring. But it was incredibly important. Its purpose was simple. Protect humanity's story. Not data. Not statistics. Human memories. Emotions. Experiences. Things machines could record, but never truly understand. And there was only one person doing it. A 34-year-old man named Ethan Walker. The final worker on Earth. The last employee. The last paycheck. The last human job. Backhand index pointing right. Chapter 3, Ethan. Every morning Ethan entered a small building in New York. While millions of autonomous systems worked around him, he sat alone. His task was collecting memories from elderly people. Recording their stories. Their fears. Their dreams. Their regrets. The AI archives contained every fact ever known. But facts were not humanity. Stories were. And Ethan knew that. For years he preserved the human experience. While the rest of society slowly forgot what it meant to struggle. To fail. To overcome. To grow. Chapter 4, The Announcement. Then one morning, everything changed. A notification appeared on Ethan's desk. It came directly from the Global Artificial Intelligence Authority. The message was only 6 words long. Your position is no longer required. Ethan stared at the screen. Silence filled the room. The moment had finally arrived. The AI system had learned how to preserve human stories by itself. Humanity's last job was gone. After decades of automation, the final worker had been replaced. Backhand index pointing right. Chapter 5, The Last Day. News spread across the planet. People gathered online. Billions watched the livestream. Not because a celebrity had died. Not because of a disaster. But because history was ending. For the first time since civilization began. No human being had a job. At exactly 5 p.m., Ethan packed his belongings. One notebook. One photo. One coffee mug. Nothing more. He walked toward the exit. The same exit he'd used for 12 years. Outside, the city glowed with autonomous life. Drones flew overhead. Robots maintained buildings. AI systems controlled everything. Nobody needed him anymore. Chapter 6: An Unexpected Question. As Ethan reached the door, a young reporter asked him something. A question nobody expected. "Are you angry that AI took your job?" Ethan paused, then smiled, and answered, "No." The reporter looked confused. Ethan continued, "Machines didn't steal our jobs. They completed them. For centuries, humanity worked to build tools. Then machines. Then intelligence itself. This was always the destination. The real question isn't why work disappeared. The real question is, what comes next?" Backhand index pointing right. Chapter 7: The New Crisis. At first, people enjoyed unlimited freedom. Every need was provided: food,